So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install MIUI 13 or upgrade your ROM without an unlocked bootloader or without TWRP getting installed or any other stuff. So now my phone is currently in MIUI 12.5.7. So I have got the updates, still I am going to tell you how to install it manually without getting an update. So first go ahead and download your ROM by typing Xiaomi firmware updater. And let's go to the first website, which is the Xiaomi firmware updater. Scroll to downloads and let us click on device, and let's select our device, which is the Mi11X Redmi K40, the Poco F3. So in case you have a Poco X3 Pro or any other device, it's fine, you can select that. Now let's click on download. So my phone is currently the Mi11X, so let's be flashing that. So MIUI stable beta recovery ROM. You can click on download and click on into this ad, and you can click on full ROM, which will be downloading this, since I have already downloaded this in my internal storage. As you can see, it is already here. So now we will be installing the ROM. Now let's go to settings, about phone. Now click on your MIUI version. Keep on tapping this until it says additional update features on. Click on the three dots, click on choose update package. Now let's choose the zip we just downloaded from that Xiaomi firmware updater website. Now click on OK. Now it says retrieving info. Now it will check, it'll unzip it, then install it. So which will cost you like 5-10 minutes. So let's wait for that patiently. So once it says reboot now, after finalizing, verifying and everything, we can press on reboot now, which will reboot our phone, update it, then reboot it. So this tutorial contains no data loss, so your data will be saved and nothing will be wiped out. As you can see, this is the latest MIUI 13's boot logo. So that is all we're getting right now. Let's wait for the phone to boot and get updated. So that is it. The ROM has booted. Now, okay, first boot can be a bit laggy. And let's wait for the phone to get fully loaded. And my phone was previously MIUI 12.5.7, and now, as you can see, it is the MIUI 13.0.4 latest version, which is the Android 12. So nothing was formatted, and that is all. This was on how to install the latest MIUI version on any phones. So that is all for this video. If this method works for you, please like, share and subscribe. Comment if you have any doubts. Bye.